So it says over here that first I'm supposed to place the battery in an horizontal position and then take off the protective foil of the acid pack. So in order to prepare the battery, I have to take it out of the box and then take off the protective sealant, which is above. You can see it's this one, this red one. After which I'm supposed to flip upside down the acid pack, insert it into the battery. In the battery there will be some prongs which will perforate the acid pack seals. After the acid pack is completely drained from the bottles, then I will have to take it off the battery and let it sit for 1 hour. The recommendation is to charge the battery for a while. Says here 30 to 60 minutes, 1 hour, something like that. After it sat for 1 hour. After which, before charging the battery, before charging the battery, I shouldn't seal the battery, should let it as it is. Then, after the final charging has been performed, only then it can be sealed back. And it says over here, charging degree 100%, tension should be 12.7 volts. Okay, next step will be me showing you how to do it in a proper way. So, taking out of the acid pack. In the box I have the acid pack with the black seals. Then I have the battery sitting in a horizontal position. These are the prongs. These are the prongs which will perforate the battery pack, the acid pack. This has to be taken off gently. We will set this aside in the box. And these are the seals. And how you do it is something like this. You can see that it's letting the acid go into the battery pack. And I will let them drain. After they have drained, after 1 hour, I'll start the countdown timer for 1 hour. Then I'll get back to you and show you exactly how charged up the battery is. And we will see if it's a must to keep it on the battery tender or not. Battery charger. Okay, an hour passed and right now it's time to see how much the battery is charged. 12.6 volts after just 1 hour. You can see how good these Yuasa batteries are. Now next step would be to put the battery on the bike, but I think I'll just do that and hit the starter button for a first run, because the bike was not ridden since, I don't know, 2019, late summer, something like that. Now battery is installed in the socket. You just have to connect the negative to the negative, the positive to the positive. You can see they are marked on the battery as well. And in a few seconds we will kickstart it into action. Okay, so we have power. Pull on the choke, run the pump, again it hasn't been started since 2019. Gasoline is old too. One more time should do it. She's alive. Yep, the next stage will be to change the oil, air filter, fuel filter, sorry, no fuel filter, oil and air filter together with the oil, and then change the tires and brake disc pads. See you in the next video.